So here at LEA, our goal is to create the best tooling on the planet. Our vision here is to be the industry's one-stop shop for all things tooling. LEA specializes in carbon-infused tooling. We also provide metallic tooling to the aerospace industry. We have everything supersized here. We've got a 50-foot 5-axis Anderson CNC router and a 50-foot oven. So anything we can cut on the 5-axis, we can put in an oven and cure it. We like to build big here. Here at LEA, when we're picking our partners and vendors, we're looking for somebody who's doing business how we feel it should be done. And when you find that, it's really special, and that's what we found with C1. Partnering with C1 has given us access to a multitude of materials, and the TSMs at C1 are unbeatable. The amount that they help us in a day-to-day is incredible. One project where C1 helped immensely was we were building some parts for an OEM with BMI prepregs, which we had not worked with in the past. C1 was the only vendor that said, hold on, wait, you're working with BMIs? There's a lot to this. Our sales rep, scheduled a call. I think there were 4 or 5 TSMs on the call, and they really helped us get through that project. And one thing that stood out to me was when I talked to the OEM, they had planned on coming in and monitoring before we cured the part. And I kind of told them the help that C1 was providing, and they said, oh, there's no reason for us to come into town now. Those guys know more than we do about this, so you're in good hands. Have at it. Having experts in the field ready to help at all times provides an immense value. We use a lot of Aerovac products here. We got some of the tab tops to help with cutting. It saved us an immense amount of time, gave us cleaner cuts. We do a lot of infusions here. Having a perfect vacuum is critical, and the SV4000 is the best bag we've ever found. To back that up, we use the VS2042. We do low temp to high temp, and it covers the whole range. It's amazing having that on hand. Nobody comes close to the service that we receive from C1. There's no comparison.